Assalamualaikum. My name is Putri Nobakis binti Syahrul. My metric number is 1180149. Okay, today I will share to you about a personality disorder in cluster C. Before that, I will define a personality disorder is a certain personality by emotion, cognition, and behavior. Okay, DSM has categorized. There are three clusters in a personality disorder. There are cluster A, cluster B, and cluster C. Today, I will share to you about a cluster C. Okay, cluster C is characterized by people who fearful and anxious. There are three types personality disorder in cluster C. First is avoidant personality disorder is a one-off group of condition called anxious personality disorder, which are marked by feeling of nervousness and fear. People with avoidant personality disorder have poor self-esteem. This feeling make them very uncomfortable in social situations, that's leading them avoid group activity and contact with others. Second is dependent personality disorder. Is described to be cared for by others. This condition results in submissive and clingy behavior, a fear of separation, and then these people also have difficulty making everyday decisions without a guide of advice from others. These people also feel uncomfortable or helpless when alone because of feeling fear in their day. Third is obsessive compulsive personality disorder is disorder that characterized by extreme perfection, order and neatness. People with OCPD will also feel a severe need to impose their own standard on their outside environment. They believe that their way of thinking and doing things is the correct way and that everyone else is wrong. This personality can be treated by talking therapy, that cognitive behavior therapy. That's all from me about a personality disorder in cluster C. I hope everyone who has watched my video will understand what I share to you about this disorder. Thank you for watching.